Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere, your go-to destination for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today, we're delving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2020 Range Rover Velar. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our thrilling car content. Now, let's talk about the beast under the hood. The Velar offers two powerhouse engine options to suit your driving needs. First up, we have the P250 variant, featuring a turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 16-valve 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 247 horsepower and 269 pounds-ft of torque. But if you're looking for even more exhilarating performance, OPT for the P400 model, this beast is equipped with a turbocharged, supercharged, and intercooled DOHC 24-valve 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, churning out a whopping 395 horsepower and 405 pounds-ft of torque. Moving on to dimensions and interior comfort, the Velar offers ample space for up to 5 passengers, with a luxurious cabin boasting a passenger volume of 51/45 cubic feet. And when it comes to cargo space, the Velar doesn't disappoint, providing 60/30 cubic feet of cargo volume behind the front and rear seats respectively, perfect for all your adventure gear. Now, let's talk performance. With an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time ranging from 5.2 to 7.0 seconds, a quarter-mile time of 13.8 to 15.7 seconds, and a top speed ranging from 135 to 155 miles per hour, the Velar is ready to dominate any road it encounters. And don't let its luxury fool you. The Velar is a capable off-roader too, thanks to Land Rover's legendary all-wheel drive system and terrain response technology. And there you have it, folks. The 2020 Range Rover Velar, where luxury meets performance in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to stay tuned to Crazy Auto Premiere for more thrilling automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.